REXON JL-32 Oil Purifier is a small and portable oil filter cart for all kinds of used oil filtering and purification like lube oil, hydraulic oil, engine oil, insulation oil, transmission oil, heating oil, used cooking oil, etc. It can clean oil with a strong filtering system and deal with any impurities and dirty solid matter in contaminated oil. This oil purifier is equipped with 3-stage high-quality oil filters, can effectively purify the tiny and fine mechanical impurities from contaminated oil. Portable, easy to operate, very low price, no need for purification paper, and no contamination to the ground, enabling it to be a prior choice of the power industry, petroleum, chemical, metallurgy, mechanics and railway for oil filling, oil drawing and high-precision filtering of impurity removal of mutual inductor, lathe, and oil breaker which do not use large quantity of oil. For more details, please get in touch with us.